Now I'm going to show you the ingredients we're going to use today. We're going to start with the marzipan. It's inside plastic bags and an airtight container so it won't dry. Food coloring to color the marzipan. Corn syrup to glaze later on what we're making, and sometimes when the marzipan gets harder you can use a little bit of corn syrup. Bowls to mix the food coloring in. Powdered sugar for decorating, plus I'm gonna teach you how to make glaze from it. Cloves, little cupcake holders to put the ready marzipans in. Vanilla extract for the glaze that we're gonna make. A little cup to shape circles from the marzipan. Lemon, a cutter to cut the marzipan. Latex gloves. It's better to use latex gloves because they go better on the hands and it's easier to work with them. And the marzipan is sticky, plus the food coloring. If you don't want to get dirty, you should use gloves. A grater, a brush to color the marzipan. A rolling pan to I'm gonna teach you later on how to top a cake with marzipan. Baking papers or wax papers. Cookie cutter. I'm gonna shape some of the marzipans. There's flowers with this cookie cutter. Chocolate, we're gonna melt it and decorate some of the marzipans we're gonna make with it. Leaves, which I'm going to teach you how to make leaves and how to decorate with those leaves. A little bit of oil, it's for the glaze too. A pan and a pot, plus a tablespoon which we're gonna use to melt the chocolate in.